What's good, Tube World? Today I got something new to show you guys. I had my Craftsman toolbox for about 10 years now, and this thing, brand new, came on sale, and for the price, I just couldn't not buy it. It's actually a toolbox with like a mechanics tool set. I didn't really find much on YouTube or anything, so I figured why not open it up with you guys, show you what's in there. If you're interested in one of these, you can purchase it. Right away, I noticed this. Um, Foam underneath is not bad, so hopefully this is not bad. But let's pull this out and check it out. So it's 104 SA slash metric Craftsman. Comes with a quarter and a 3/8 drive. So I actually wish they showed all this on the website, because if you actually go to their website, it doesn't really show much of what's in there. So it's 48 pieces of your standard sockets, deep sockets, and your drives and extensions. So let's get this out. Yeah, here it is outside of the box. So it's pretty much like a little carry-on tool chest, and it comes with a bunch of tools. Let's open this up. Alright, here we have it. Let's get this off. Comes very well protected. Alright, pull this out. Alright, here it is, guys. This is nice. Like I said, I already have a Craftsman that I had from 10 years, but over the time I have lost like all the sockets and everything is misplaced. So this is going to be perfect for me. All right, how do you open this? There you go. Yeah, like I said, it was on a sale for the price. You couldn't resist it. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys are interested in one of these. Just starting off, this is probably a really good set to have. Mainly, it comes with some space up top. Let me see if I can get a better view in there. So here's the top. You got about a inch and a half to depth, and you got the space here too, so you can carry around some additional tools. You can build a little shadow box or whatever you have. If you already have a toolbox, you can put this whole thing on top of it. But yeah, it's really a good deal. I paid pretty much $70 for this, but normally I think it's like 100 something. And even for that, I think it's really worth it because the box itself is super nice. All right, let's go through this. Got the first drawer, another empty one. Second drawer. There we have it. So already comes with kind of like a little shadow box. Let's see if I can get this out. Get the cover out of it. I'm gonna keep this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this. It's probably gonna go in the trash. Here you got some bit sets. There's your long quarter. Look at that. You got a extension, another bit set, which has everything you need. Oh, this is a nice screwdriver. Main thing I love about Craftsman, the lifetime warranty. So pretty much anything you damage, take it up to Lowe's and get you a replacement. I've done my bigger ratchet like 3 times so far. Here's your quarter. A little shorty, but nice. Love the gear sound. Let's see, what is this? That's a size 8. Alright, so SA metric, all labeled. So kind of like a nice little shadow box. I'm gonna keep that. And the bottom drawer, there's our big ratchet. I think they put this cover on because it'll keep everything kind of in there. I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna probably put the covers back on because if you're gonna carry this around, it's gonna start going places. So top is blocked, so I might stay. So you got hex, like all your Allen. Oh, this is sweet. I didn't know it actually came with a swivel. I've been looking at one of these, so that's good to have. Oh, this thing is heavy. There's your, look at that. This is like Christmas for me. Exciting. Comes with a little extension. And you got everything you need. Goes up to size 21. Alright guys, so here's a little toolbox review. So the top row seems like you can do whatever, top two, and you got the space up here too. Cool thing I noted about this, if you have this lid closed, this is pretty much all locked. So if you're carrying it around with the lid closed, none of this will, open up on you. So when you open this top is when you can open these. That's because of this right here. So when you close and open, it unlocks and locks. It's a good feature to have. So when you're carrying it around places, you're not losing stuff all over the place. And without the cover, I moved it around and it didn't really move anything out of the place, so that's good. So push it all the way back, and if you close it, everything's locked in. If you have it out of the lock area, you can have it closed. Still be able to open and close. Alright guys. Alright, hope you guys like this quick short review. If you're interested in this toolbox, I'll put a link in the description. Check it out. Till next time.